Today we are continuing to lay pipe that will cross the street. They're awaiting stainless steel hardware right now, which we will use in all of the joints. We're going to use stainless steel in lieu of the normal mild steel because we will not be wrapping the pipe in plastic, which is a standard practice. The stainless steel will have a longer life than the mild steel hardware would have when it's exposed to the concrete.
This is the gasket for the megalug that holds the fittings together. Vamos a tener que quitar todo el modo. Yeah. Okay. Now you gotta make sure that one's squared away. Yeah, let me go get my lumber.